Just type get mcp.chainstack.com in your agent chat. That's the install. No docs page, no config file, no copy paste. This is how we designed MCP onboarding at Chainstack, and it's already live. So quick context in case you haven't built with Model Context Protocol yet. It's the open protocol from Anthropic that lets AI agent connect to tools and data. It launched in November 2024, and 16 months later it's hitting unbelievable 110 million SDK downloads per month. 2025 was the experimentation year. 2026 is the year MCP is shipping in production. Every SaaS platform under the sun, and especially developer platforms, is shipping one. But MCP itself is still shaping the right level of abstraction, how clients and servers divide responsibility, what good onboarding looks like. The foundation is open about all of it. When we built ours, we picked a few specific places to put real design energy. Let's have a look. So here is the tagline. Type get mcp.chainstack.com in your agent chat, like you would type, for example, status.example.com to check a service. The URL itself is the install. The URL serves as a discovery page we wrote specifically to be agent readable. It tells your agent what tools exist, which ones need an API key, which don't, and how to register the server in every major client. Cloud Code, Cursor, Codex CLI, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Anti-Gravity, ChatGPT. Your agent reads the page and sets itself up. Under the hood, the server speaks streamable HTTP, the current state-of-the-art MCP transport. That's what makes the one-line install work. It's also the simplest transport to onboard against, and the simplest for us to maintain. No custom runtime, no stdio plumbing, just HTTP. We wrote this page the way we wanted agents to read it. The page itself is the design philosophy. Once you've onboarded, you pick one of the two ways to use it. Both options do everything the other does. Complete feature parity, so it's entirely up to you. Option 1, register it as an MCP server in your agent, the traditional way. Option 2, install the skill. Your agent calls the tool it needs when it needs it. If you are intimately familiar with how your daily coding agent handles MCP servers, you probably already know which way you prefer. If you're not, pick either. Both paths are first class. We ship both because your workflow shouldn't have to bend to fit a single way of consuming the server. The tools split into two tiers by whether they need a Chainstack API key. No key needed for docs, platform status, context and Chainstack, and pricing. With the key, platform access, node management, faucet. Let me walk you through what they do. Deploy a node. Agent, give me an Ethereum mainnet node. Just one prompt. List infrastructure. What do I have running? You get projects, nodes, regions. Docs search. Our docs are a living Web3 development knowledge repo. Years of accumulated production know-how kept continuously in sync with how the industry actually moves. And when the best source lives elsewhere, an upstream protocol repo, a reference implementation, a spec, we point your agent there too. So whatever you're building, we do our best to support your agent. Faucet. Top up the Cipolla address with ETH. Many networks supported Ethereum testnet, Cipolla, Hoodie, Base Cipolla, Polygon mainnet, BNB testnet, zk-Sync, Scroll, Hyper-Event, Plasma, Mono, Ton, Solana. Pricing. I'm running 50 million requests per month. What plan fits? Your agent fetches live plan data and does the math. Not from memory, not from training data, live. Status. Is Ethereum up right now? Platform status plus any active incidents. And one more tool which is a great showcase of our design philosophy grounded in reality, which is Contact Chainstack. When you ask your agent to reach Chainstack for a custom quote, for support, for a custom node configuration, it doesn't just forward your words. It composes the message from everything it already knows about your project while stripping the keys and other sensitive data. What you're building, your plan, your usage numbers, your recent errors, your organization ID. It shows you the draft, asks for approval, and submits only if you say yes to Chainstack. Why does the server look the way it does? Because the foundation behind MCP publishes a living design principles page at Model Context Protocol IO. 8 principles total, 4 of them shaped specific choices in this server that we created. Let's do a quick run through the principles we actually used. Capability over compensation. The foundation's line, models improve faster than protocols evolve. So don't add permanent structure to work around temporary limitations. In our server, we ship the full tool surface. We don't pre-compress or hide tools to compensate for clients that cannot yet do progressive discovery or tool search. Context is the client's problem to solve, and clients are already solving it. That said, of course, we are very pragmatic and being reasonable about the number of tools. And we are not doing obvious context abuse like having one tool per RPC method. LLMs today are perfectly capable of doing method calls themselves. Next one is pragmatism over purity and demonstration over deliberation. We have two principles here. Two principles, one decision. The foundation's lines: do not pursue theoretical elegance at the cost of real-world utility. And working implementations beat theoretical debates. Prototype, experiment, demonstrate. In our server, we support two onboarding paths: MCP registration and skill install. MCP registration is the standard way to add a server, but some workflows are simpler with a skill. Instead of deliberating which single path would be right, we shift both as working implementations and we let real usage speak. That's what actually works for the real spread of how people run their agents. And next one is composability over specificity. The foundations line: MCP provides foundational primitives. We don't add protocol features for use cases that can be constructed from existing building blocks, which is in our server, each tool does one narrow but useful thing that the coding agent actually needs. Compose workflows from small pieces: search docs, fetch a page, list nodes, get pricing, do the math. The agent writes the recipe based on the tools we provide. And then one last thing: if you're an existing user of another RPC provider, we also have a migration runbook specifically written for AI coding agents, and you can fetch it using the MCP server itself by just asking your agent. The runbook tells your agent to scan your codebase for RPC implementations, map each one to a Chainstack replacement, and present you a migration plan. And because the MCP server has all those tools, you can, for example, combine this with the pricing tool and see how much you stand to save, and ask the agent to shoot a message to our sales team based on the context and maybe get a custom quote. So type get.mcp.chainstack.com in your agent chat. Very easy to remember. That's the install. Have fun. Links in the description and comments.